Hi, it's Danny. Here's another video in our abdominal series about toning and function awareness of this area. If you have a pair of poles, a pair of dowels, a pair of broom handles, this would be great. You're going to relax the space, narrow the space between xiphoid and pubic bone. Then you're going to lengthen with a push. So this is a postural exercise where you're purposely slouching and then you push down to rise. Relax through neutral, soften your body, buckle the knees and hips and ankles. Push your feet down, push your hands down about belly button height and rise up and feel quite engaged there with your body. Push into the poles. I'm making a little dent into this mat. Breathe in, neutral, collapse, buckle, flex, slump. Push your feet, then kick in your hands and push down. Your triceps should be working. Your lats, your abs, everything's kicking in. Naturally, you've got a nice toning in length. Pubic bone is slightly away from the xiphoid, so you're long. Release to center, perhaps one more time, slumping. Exaggerate the tone. Now this time, going to keep in that tone position and add a little forward and back. Can we rotate the torso? Nice mobility for shoulders. Can look left and right. Keep pushing into the ground. Push down firmly, come to the middle, maintain that postural length, relax any tone and tension there, pop any equipment down, and then just land and stand in a relaxed way. And notice how you've engaged through here. You've got postural integrity here. You're not short and slumped from your sit-ups or from your computer work or driving. Simple exercise, regain length, yet in a natural and relaxed way. Part of our toning series, more functional, more standing. Okay, thanks for joining us.